Alright, this is just a quick update on the Bing Sterling engine restoration. There's been some progress. It's not seized up anymore. I managed to get it free. It's not perfect. I found what that problem was with that was hitting underneath. I found what the problem was, and all it was, let me see, there was a washer missing in here, and this screw here. If that's tight over, that seems to catch. If that's not tight over, then it runs freely and moves freely. So it needs a little washer in there, a little spacer. So I'm guessing that was stripped down at some point, and but now it's pretty free. I've had all the cylinder apart. I showed before. I haven't had it running though. Yeah, I can't really. I'm guessing. I'll try it now. It sort of did think about it. I'll try it now. I haven't tried it since yesterday. It did think about it, and we didn't get very far. But it tried, and I think the problem is that displacement piston is so badly damaged. I might have to find a way of doing something with it. I don't know if it will need. I'm not sure it'll be very easy thing to make. But I'll give it a clean. It's come up better. That's come up better. There is something. I think they had like a vents, little heat sinks here. It's got screws here, and it's got screw holes here, and neither of them seem to actually do anything. That's not holding anything, and there's two screw holes that end not holding anything. So I was going to repaint it. I'll probably paint this in here. Obviously not going to paint that, it just gets hot anyway. But it tries more than just free running, but not really, not much. I've put there's little grooves. There's three grooves in that piston, and all I did in the end was put graphite in. There's no oil in there, and there's not supposed to be oil in Sterling engines. So it's free running now. So that's a step forward, but it doesn't run. It's frustrating really, because if I can see a problem, I can fix it. But at the moment, I actually can't see a problem. The piston has got a nice suction fit. If I pull it, this piston has got a good fit. The displacement piston, the one that was really damaged, I think that's the problem. No, I don't think it's going to have it. So I think what I'll have to do is take the displacement piston out. I think that is the problem, because this piston here has got a really nice fit. It's not loose, it's not tight. I've put graphite in there, and it's got like a suction fit. So I would say I'm happy with that, but that's it. Don't get anything out of it. So I'm going to leave it there, guys. I'm going to give it another attempt. I'll take this apart. I'm going to have a look at that displacement piston again. But yeah, I haven't. A little bit of progress, but it's not running still. So I'm a bit frustrated, because if I could see the problem, I would fix it. And I would have thought it would have been this piston, and that's sort of free running now. This piston's nice and tight, but still no running. So unfortunately, I'm going to have to leave it there, but I'll still persevere and see how we get on. So I'll leave it there and we'll catch up later. Cheers, guys.